Is Ukraine really slow on the battlefield? This question is often raised on the internet, especially when we consider how crucial military aid from Western countries, particularly NATO, is. However, the reality is not that simple. One of Ukraine's biggest challenges is time, the time required to receive aid, train troops, and master the advanced weaponry they have been given. The decision to seek assistance from NATO was not the wrong move, but the process of sending weapons and military equipment to Ukraine takes time. In addition to the complex logistics, there are many factors that must be considered. Not all weapons can be sent and used immediately. Training is key. For example, advanced weapons, such as the F-35 and F-22, are not devices that can be used without adequate understanding and skills. Without proper training, these weapons would be a waste, given their high cost. Meanwhile, advanced fighter jets from the United States are already stationed in Poland, waiting to provide support. Since 2022, the U.S. Air Force has deployed F-22 Raptors as part of efforts to strengthen NATO's air shield. Recent reports from Reuters on December 2nd revealed that Norway's Ministry of Defense has also deployed F-35 fighter jets and NASAMS air defense systems to a logistics center in Poland. This center has become a key coordination point for sending military aid to Ukraine. The presence of these stealth aircraft in Poland is not just a symbol of power, but also a message to Russia that NATO is ready to offer full support to Ukraine, even though the country is still working on its ability to operate these systems effectively. On the other hand, Russia, which is trying to hold on to its territory and forces, is also seeking ways to counter the incoming threats. While stealth aircraft like the F-22 and F-35 are not directly involved in the fighting in Ukraine, their positioning in Poland is enough to send a strong message to Russia. With its capabilities, Russia continues to inform the world of its strategy to counter modern artillery shells, precision-guided missiles, and stealth aircraft that are a mainstay of the U.S. Air Force. How effective will Russia's weapons be in this context? The Buk-M3 Viking, a highly mobile medium-range air defense missile system, plays a critical role for Russia. The Viking is a system developed with global market trends in mind, incorporating cutting-edge technology ready to compete at the international level. Its export version has proven its extraordinary capabilities, with a very high combat efficiency rate. Evidence of the Viking's abilities has been demonstrated in various training exercises. The system is known for its high kill rate potential against various air threats, ranging from enemy aircraft to precision-guided munitions and tactical ballistic missiles, as well as its ability to engage both sea and land-based targets. In this regard, the Viking is specifically designed to protect military facilities and troops on the battlefield, especially when facing large-scale aerial attacks in environments with heavy electronic interference. One of the Viking's advantages over its predecessor, the Buk-M2 air defense system, is its significantly increased range nearly 1.5 times further. The Viking can engage targets at a range of up to 25 kilometers for tactical ballistic missiles, 20 kilometers for cruise missiles, and up to 60 kilometers for helicopters or other low-flying targets, with a maximum engagement range of up to 12 kilometers for specific types of targets. Another advantage of the Viking is its unique features, previously unseen in other air defense systems. One major innovation is its ability to integrate launchers from the Ante 2500 ADMS system, enabling the Viking to fire missiles with a range of up to 130 kilometers. This integration gives the Viking an additional edge in countering enemy fighter aircraft, flying at longer ranges and becoming increasingly harder to detect. Moreover, the automatic command system built into the Viking is a crucial element that enhances its performance. This command center processes data from various distributed sensors, analyzes existing threats, and allocates targets to individual launchers based on threat priority. This allows the Viking to respond quickly and effectively to aerial threats under a wide range of conditions. The Viking is also designed to meet modern challenges, such as stealth aircraft that rely on technology to reduce their radar signature and electronic warfare tactics. In facing such threats, the Viking is capable of mitigating the advantages of stealth aircraft, making them easier to track and destroy, even in environments rife with electronic interference. However, what stands out even more is its ability to counter smaller threats, such as low-flying drones. This highlights the versatility and adaptability of the Viking in dealing with a wide variety of air threats, from large combat aircraft to the increasing use of drones on modern battlefields. But is it true, as Sergei Ladygin, Deputy Director General of Rosoboronexport, claims that nothing can currently defeat the Viking in the global arms market? On the battlefield, nothing is eternal. Every weapon hailed as a game-changer for one side will eventually face its own challenges. Even advanced air defense systems, such as the Teller-9A317M, which is claimed to be superior to the Buk-M3, are not immune to vulnerability. For instance, a guided multiple-launch rocket system successfully destroyed a Teller-9A317M in battle. Furthermore, the Buk-M3 has faced its own set of difficulties. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense has not hesitated to publicize their successes in destroying the Buk-M3 system using HIMARS and FPV drones. So, what's wrong with the Buk-M3? What do you think about this system? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.